This is purely an entertainment channel, not a how-to channel. I'm new to turning, so if you see something, say something in the comments below. Yeah, it certainly didn't take long from that last Potpourri box to have a request for another one. We got another kiln dried cherry 5x3 and an assortment of lids. So if you remember the last video, I used a drain lid. Turns out that they make potpourri, these are pewter potpourri box lids, that a pack of 8 for $24. Go figure. And these are pretty nice. So we have a request to make a potpourri box. Let's get started.
I never felt tomorrow closing in this fast. Oh, I guess time's in a rush. Leaves are falling down, but at least they grow back.
I have to stop right here for a moment to let you know, because of your comments, I am now safer. Many comments came in, because I'm new at turning, that you shouldn't be using a spindle roughing gouge on a bowl blank, especially on the end grain. Well, my argument at the time was, well, you're not seeing it correctly. This isn't a spindle roughing gouge, it's just a roughing gouge. According to the chisels that I purchased, it wasn't specified as a spindle roughing gouge. Well, surprise, there is no difference. A roughing gouge is a roughing gouge, whether it's spindle roughing gouge or a roughing gouge. It doesn't matter. The point is that you're running the risk of damaging yourself and hurting yourself if you use this on end grain. The best tool for the job is a bowl gouge. So because of your suggestions and comments, I've gone ahead and got myself a nice Hurricane 1/2 inch bowl gouge with a 55-degree Irish grind. So let's get started. Thanks again for the comments, keeping me safe.
I never felt tomorrow closing in this fast. Oh, I guess time's in a rush. Leaves are falling down, but at least they grow back. While I'm on a one-way track. Now I know what it means to grow old. Yeah, now I know the time I've got, it is just enough to get by. Yeah, it is just enough to get by. Sometimes I understand I'm making all the wrong demands in life. It never pays in the end, but still I am here, moving on like before. I'm yearning to reach the shore. Now I know what it means to grow.
Oh my goodness. Just, oh wow. Look at the shine. By goodness gracious. Thank you, OB, for that shine juice. That is incredible. Hey, guess what? Something new. While I was turning this, mail came. Somebody suggested, hey, you're starting to turn some nice pieces. Maybe you should get a little logo. So I went online and I got one of those burners, man. And check it out. Nice little logo. It's first time using it, so it's a little bit deep. But it's pretty cool. The shine. Wow. I didn't do anything on the inside, kind of left it plain. Get some of that cherry smell coming from the inside, but look at that shine. Holy cow. Is that not shining? Just wow. Wow. And then this guy. Oh, yeah. That looks beautiful. Wow. 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 Let's move some of this out the way. Needless to say, just wow. I mean, wow. Look at the shine on that. Is just beautiful. Wow. I'm speechless. This is the best thing I've turned on this little lathe so far. Wow. You know, I like this so much. This is not good because I'm probably going to be asked to make more of them. Hey, look, I hope you did too. And if you did, hit that like button, subscribe if you're not already, and hit that notification bell so you know when I post something in the future, which will probably be next week because I post one every week. Hey, thanks for giving me a turn on your screen, and we'll see you next week. Wow. And that notification bell. Thanks for giving me a turn on your screen. My screen, your screen. I can't. Oh shit.